All right, we got another Lexus computer here. Basically, this is going to be for 1999 Lexus RX300. Another lost key situation. So basically, I'm going to decode the door lock and make the key for it, figure out what the existing cuts are, and then put chips in the keys, then program it to the ECU. Here you go. These are the blank keys we're going to use, and that's about it. I'll come back with the keys, cut and everything, and the chips programmed. All right, this puppy's done. I just wrapped the ECU up, get ready to package it off. Here's those two keys that was blank. Here you go. Nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. They do have chips in them. Let's read them real quick. Bada bing, bada boom. Here you go. 1, 2. That's it. Ain't much really to say at this point. It's just plug and play. I'll send this back. There's no additional programming needed. We don't do the auto learn thing where once you get the unit back, you have to finish off the programming. No, everything is done for you. Plug and play. Plug it up, stick the key in, drive the car. And that's about it. Now, those of you that's getting information from other people telling you what we're going to do, how we're going to do it, just take this advice. If they don't actually do the work, I would take that information with a grain of salt, because they don't do the work. So how can someone tell you what needs to happen and what we're going to do if they don't do it? I just had a conversation with a customer about that. And also, if you call around, here's a real good tip. If you call around and people tell you it's going to take 2 weeks to get this done for you, here's probably what's happening. You're going to send your unit to them. They're going to send it to somebody else. That's why it's going to take a long time. I'm going to do it in about 72 hours, turn it back around. I'm the one that actually do the work. I don't like doing that other stuff where you grab someone's items and you send it to somebody else. There's too many chances of the item getting lost, damaged, en route with packages or whatever. And another one, here's another thing. Those of you that's trying to get this on the cheap, this is what I learned since about 1990, watching a lot of customers over the years. I've watched a lot of customers waste a lot of days, hours, months, or weeks trying to save a little bit of money while they renting cars, having family members drive them around, just because they don't want to spend the money with one person. But on the back end, they're wasting all this time and spending all this money. So I would suggest don't get caught up in that. If this is a problem for you, you're trying to get rid of it, give me a call. I'll get you back up and running. I'll have the car driving again. And that's about it. There's really not much to say. I appreciate y'all for watching. Or go to the website www.acmlocksmithgroup.com.